If education is the movement from darkness to light, there are a lot of impoverished souls around the world who are under the shackles of this darkness, and only a few who dare to be torchbearers to brighten their lives. Here's a report.
Education is an important tool which not only paves way for the sustenance of an individual but also gives oneself name and fame. However, there are some who are deprived of it, and so much so that they do not even get to climb the steps of school. This deprivation even forces a child or a teenager to forego with his or her dream and aspirations. But there are people who have realized the problem affecting the sections of the society and have therefore come forward to help the underprivileged. One such person is Seema Modak, who has taken up the noble cause of imparting education to the kids who dwell upon streets and slum and are unable to go to schools due to social constraints.
There are many children who have been abused, who are into different kinds of activities where they are threat to the society. So through this education, which we all know that it's a very powerful tool, so we think through this education we can bring about positive change in their lives, and it has been happening.
However, things were not that easy for Seema as one may think, as she had to overcome several odds in life before taking up the initiative. The incident which made her work towards educating the destitute and distressed children came in 2005 when some street children from Shillong approached her seeking education for themselves.
Started this initiative, and today it has reached to such a level. At the national level we are winning the awards and all. I think that's not a big thing, but the changes which we see in the children, that's the biggest award for me.
Seema, who has worked in NGOs and has taught at an army school in Shillong, after completing a master's in sociology from Northeastern Hill University, decided to open an NGO to help the street children to take education. The NGO, named Spark, has been imparting education to the street children at 4 different locations in the state of Meghalaya. But due to lack of infrastructure and financial support, Seema, along with her other colleagues and volunteers, have to conduct classes in the street or sometimes in the premises of a church. What began as a small step, Spark now has as many as 450 students who are taking education at different centers.
पढ़ाई करके अच्छा आदमी बनेगा, अच्छा जॉब मिलेगा, अच्छा से बैठेगा, इसलिए
बड़ा आदमी बन के ऐसे जैसा मिस लोग बड़ा छोट इस बच्चा लोग को हेल्प करते हैं, हम लोग भी ऐसे करेंगे बड़ा होके.
Another center which the DD News team visited, where Spark has been conducting classes for kids, is at Maolong, 20 kilometers from capital city Shillong. Nestled in beautiful sylvan surroundings, the center imparts education to around 80 students who come from neighboring villages. According to Seema, the class begins at 7 am and ends at 10 am, after which the kids go to herd their cattle. She says although Spark doesn't get the financial support which it requires, but it does get assistance from the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, which provides teaching materials to the students, and also from philanthropists who donate clothes or eatables to the kids. Seema believes that if children cannot reach out to education, then education must reach out to the children. Seeking government intervention in her endeavour, she feels that with the support she can only improve and better the lives of children who are future of tomorrow. Bureau Report, DD News, Shillong.